Good morning everyone. Day-6 of my English learning and my topic is dark color. I recently scrolling my phone, then I see a video on just a girl who is telling her story, and I really got shocked when I listened that words. She is telling that she got trolled by his dark skin color. I am really surprised that in recently days, how can we do this and judge anyone by his color? She was telling that everyone making fun of her and mocking her because of his dark color. When she goes for audition and people directly rejected her without seeing his talent, without seeing her work, I'm really got shocked how anyone can judge a person by his color and her color. I'm thinking about that, and whenever she goes for audition, people directly rejected her without seeing her talent and work, and because of her dark color and a height. And she is telling her story on Just Talk stage. When she decided to start a content creation and she has no place to shoot a video, then she decided to go on the terrace and shoot video. And she was making the videos. People were looking at her and they were calling her, "Look that Kali, look that Kali Pari." And I am really shocked that how can anybody comment like this. And even in the comment section, people were trolling her and making fun of her and not seeing her talent but only seeing her color and trolling because of her color. Maybe you know her name is Hemagi. I'm very inspired by her because she is very strong. I can't believe that everyone trolling her and making fun of her, all of that, but she is very strong and she is putting her step forward and making videos every day, and her hard work paid off. One day Guru Randhava sir commenting her on post and selecting her for one song. I am very thankful to Guru Randhava sir that he sees the talent, not the color. And I am very glad that she finally find an opportunity and his hard work paid off. And I want to ask everyone how they can judge and make fun of people when they have a dark color. And I want to know, and I want to ask one thing to everyone. Please reply me in the comment section. When one side we worship Ma Kali and in the other hand we are making fun of dark people, how can we do this? We all know that this is created by a God, and God always create beautiful and elegant. We have to accept this and we have to respect everyone. I want to tell everyone that God create this world and create everything, and when he create the beautiful thing, that's people, and God create peoples. And how can we laugh on that creation because God create this? This is making, when we laugh on people of dark color, means we are laughing on God because they create this, and God create always beautiful and elegant. We need to respect everyone, not judge by his color and her color. Thank you so much. If you want to learn English, please combine with me and learn English together. I want to improve every day, and anything I may speak mistake, please don't mind it. I'm also a beginner. Thank you so much.